Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ida, and today I want to show you guys the results comparing Flaxseed Gel and foaming mousse on stretched hair using Flexi rods. So on this side, I'm going to start off with some Flaxseed Gel, and I'm going to take my hair in small sections and detangle it. I stretched my hair overnight with 8 braids and I added a little bit of leave-in conditioner. If you guys want a more detailed video on how I use Flexi rods, go ahead and check out my previous video. I will leave the link below. So this is all my Flexi rods. I have about 20 altogether, and the other side I used foaming mousse. Okay, so this is one day later, my hair air dried. So let's see if it's fully dried. So this is the side of the Flaxseed Gel. So far it's looking like it has some definition. Like a lot of definition, so that's good. Okay, so this is the side where I use flaxseed. So as you can see, it's very defined. It has like a slight crunchy feel to it. It's surprising how much it held because the consistency was very light. It was more like on the watery side. There was 11 on this side and there was, I think, 9 or 10 on this side. I'm still kind of new to Flexi rods, so I'm still trying to perfect and master it, and just bringing you guys along with my journey. And then we can look back and be like, oh wow, you've come a long way. You used to be okay and now you're just, you know, just an expert on this. So this is the side where I'm using the Creme of Nature foaming mousse. Okay, so do you guys notice a difference so far? I feel like so far the only difference I feel is that this side is a bit more softer. I'm gonna assume it's because the foam is not as much hold as the flaxseed gel. Okay, so one thing I'm noticing already is that it's definitely not as easy to separate the curls on stretched hair for me than it was when it was on wet and damp hair. But overall, it's still not bad. Next time I also do this hairstyle, I'm gonna try it on blow-dried stretch hair. Putting my hair in braids overnight really isn't gonna stretch it as much as blow-drying my hair, so we'll definitely see what that looks like. I just try not to put too much heat on my hair as possible because I noticed that's what helps me achieve healthy hair. Okay, I'm gonna start untwisting this side here. I wanna see if there's a big difference using foam or flaxseed gel. When I'm separating the ones with the foam on stretched hair, it's not like really separating on its own too much. It's kind of like I'm kind of forcing it to separate, which I really don't like because it causes more frizz that way, but I have no choice, unfortunately. I really love doing these styles on freshly washed hair because I also feel like my hair feels a lot more moisturized when I take it out, but I really want to try it this way too, just to see if I can get more volume and more length this way, and at least I didn't put on heat stretching out my hair, so I was hoping it still retain some of the moisture in my hair. So as you can see just by looking at it right away, the flaxseed gel side is a bit more shrunken compared to the foaming mousse. And I do believe there's a bit more definition on the flaxseed gel side. Also, there's actually flakes. So I did get some product buildup and there are quite a few flakes, especially at the front of my hair. I didn't actually get any with the foaming mousse. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick it out a bit and show you guys what it looks like towards the end, and let me know what you guys think about it as well. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like basically picked out. So I didn't want to pick it out too much just because like I want the style to last. So as I was picking it out, I was getting even more flakes on the flaxseed gel side. I don't know if you guys can see especially at the top here, it's pretty white. So I did experience this a while ago using Flaxseed Gel, and to tell you the truth, I don't know if I want to use Flaxseed Gel again on a protective style. I'm gonna try again with wash and go with like a thicker formula. One thing I love about working on stretched hair is that you get more volume on day 1 hair, and you also get more length. So tell me, you guys, what you guys think of the results, and I hope you guys like the video. Tell me which side you guys like. I definitely can see a difference on the stretch. There's way more stretch on the foaming side than there is on the gel, and that's kind of why I stopped using gel, to tell you the truth, when it comes to my protective styles, because I notice I get more shrinkage. I get more definition, but to tell you the truth, like, I'm not too worried about definition when it comes to a protective style. I like the volume and softer hair. When it comes to wash and goes, I'm more into the definition, and I always use a gel anyway. So let me know regardless of what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.